Hey guys, in this video we're gonna go over how to easily do the Whirlwind Splash in WWE 2K25. Now, it's very easy, but first you need to equip it in the menu. Without that, it will not work. A lot of people are having this issue. And once you've equipped it in the menu, what you need to do is position the opponent like this. You get them cornered and lying, okay, or primed for the move, right? And then you initiate a double team. So you press A, right? Or if you are on your PlayStation, press circle or appropriate double team button when the prompt appears. And then you just trigger the Whirlwind Splash, right? It's really that easy. And you will be basically doing the Whirlwind Splash. And you can hit, Becky or Seth with it to do the task. Really, and if you found this video helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel.